Welcome to Fin Ideas. Friends, today we will learn what is volatility and how exchange calculates volatility. Volatility meaning volatility shows that how the price of a given security is moving in a given time period. If volatility is very high, then it indicates that the price movement of that security is very high and vice versa. As per statistics, volatility means statistical measure of the dispersion of returns, of the change of returns for a given security or market index. Now, how National Stock Exchange calculates the volatility of stock? The formula of volatility of stock is square root of today's return square multiplied by 0.06 plus yesterday's volatility square multiplied by 0.94. That means they are giving 94% weightage to the previous volatility and 6% weightage to the current change in stock price. Here today's return is equal to natural log of today's price divided by yesterday's price, and annualized volatility is equal to today's volatility multiplied by square root of 365, that is days in a year. Now there are few statistical formulas where they are considering 250 as a square root figure, because they consider that normal market working days in a year are 250, but National Stock Exchange calculates 365 days a year. Let's derive the formula of annualized volatility. Nifty volatility of 4th January 2010 was 1.133%. So the annualized volatility will be 1.133 multiplied by square root of 365. That will come to 1.133 multiplied by 19.1049 is equal to 21.64% annualized volatility. Now suppose the Nifty closing price of 4 January was 5232.20 and the 5th January closing price was 5277.90. So today's return means return of 5th January will be natural log of 5th January closing price divided by 4th January closing price. That will equal to ln 5277.90 divided by 5232.20 will come to 0.008696. Now if volatility of 4 January is 1.133%, then volatility of 5th January will be, today's volatility is equal to square root of today's return square multiplied by 0.06 plus yesterday's volatility square multiplied by 0.94. And as we have already calculated, square root of today's return is 0.008696 square multiplied by 0.06 plus yesterday's volatility was 1.133%, so that will come to 0.01133 square multiplied by 0.94. So that will come to this figure, and finally when we square root of 0.000125, it will come to 0.011189, and in percentage form it will be equal to 1.1189%. So the volatility of 5th January will be 1.1189%. And now if we want to calculate the annualized volatility, then again the same formula, we will just multiply the figure by square root of 365, that will come to 21.38. So this is the process how exchange calculates the volatility of stock. For more details, contact us at www.finideas.com. Thank you.